everyone, welcome back to Best AI Prompt. Today we're diving into an exciting comparison of the latest AI models: Claude 4.5 Sonnet, Claude 4.5 Opus, Gemini 2.5 Pro, and Gemini 3 Pro. We're putting them to the test by asking each one to create an interactive Three.js Volcano simulation. Let's see which AI delivers the most impressive results. First up, Gemini 2.5 Pro. Unfortunately, this is where things didn't go as planned. Right from the start, we encountered critical errors during generation. The model simply couldn't produce a working simulation. This was disappointing, especially considering it's supposed to be an advanced version. So Gemini 2.5 Pro is out of the running for this challenge. Next, let's look at Gemini 3 Pro, and this is where things get interesting. The simulation generated successfully with no errors. Already a huge improvement. The camera interactive mode works perfectly. You can switch between different camera angles and perspectives smoothly. The auto-rotate feature is also functioning as expected, giving us a nice 360-degree view of the volcano. Now, here's where it gets fun. When we increase the eruption force and click the Trigger Eruption button, you can see the lava particles shooting much further into the air. It's really satisfying to watch. The simulation also includes customizable parameters like ash density, lava glow intensity, and cooling rate. All of these settings work exactly as they should, giving us fine control over the volcanic activity. The only downside, the overall background is quite dark, making some details harder to see. But other than that, Gemini 3 Pro delivered a solid functional simulation. Moving on to Claude 4.5 Opus. This model produced an interactive volcano simulation that's very similar in quality to Gemini 3 Pro. Just like with Gemini, we have the same dark background issue. It's a bit hard to see all the details. However, the camera controls and auto-rotate mode work flawlessly. Most of the features are implemented similarly to Gemini 3 Pro, but there's one unique addition here. In interactive mode, when you click around the lava area, it actually leaves traces or marks. This is a nice touch that adds an extra layer of interactivity that we didn't see in Gemini's version. Finally, we have Claude 4.5 Sonnet. This model has a distinctive feature. The eruption happens automatically without needing to trigger it manually. It's constantly active, which could be seen as either a feature or a limitation, depending on what you are looking for. Most of the core functionality is implemented correctly. The controls work, the parameters are adjustable, and the simulation runs smoothly. However, there are two major issues here. First, once again, we have that black background problem. And second, and this is the bigger issue, it doesn't really feel like a volcano at all. The visual design just doesn't capture that volcanic atmosphere we're looking for. It's functional, but it lacks the aesthetic quality that makes it convincing. So what's the verdict? Gemini 2.5 Pro failed to deliver anything usable. Claude 4.5 Sonnet works, but lacks visual appeal. That leaves us with Gemini 3 Pro and Claude 4.5 Opus as the winners. Both delivered functional, feature-rich simulations with only minor visual issues. If you want that extra interactive trace feature, Claude 4.5 Opus has a slight edge, but overall, Gemini 3 Pro and Claude 4.5 Opus are neck and neck in this challenge. Want to try this yourself? The complete prompt and code are in the description below. Drop your AI project ideas in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Best AI Prompt for more. Thanks for watching.